Hi, my name's Ankit Sharma. I'm a medical esthetician out of New Jersey in the United States. I wanted to make this video because I wanted to leave a review for ADSS Group out of China. I wanted to let you all know if you have reservations about purchasing any kind of medical equipment through this manufacturer. ADSS Group is one of the best companies that I've ever had the pleasure of working with. Bailey was the person that was my sales representative. She was extremely easy to talk to. She was not pushy. She wasn't forcing me to purchase any kind of equipment. She let me take my time. She was there to answer any questions for me. She was also there to guide me when I received my HIFU machine. I have been researching the market for the last couple of months, and I wanted to bring in a HIFU machine into my studio and offer this treatment to my clients. So when I did some research, ADSS Group became one of my top choices because a lot of their medical equipment is actually cleared through the Chinese FDA. And a lot of the other manufacturers in China do not have that same certification. So this is also another major reason why I felt comfortable going to this company over other companies. Bailey was phenomenal. She had extensive knowledge in all the machines. She stayed on the phone with me the initial time that we were talking about the equipment, almost close to over an hour. She was showing me around the factory, their headquarters, and after I received the equipment, delivery was extremely fast. She was there to offer me all of the paperwork, all of the trainings, and she also sent me videos on doing the training on the machine via video. And any questions that I had when I came to the training, she was there. Anytime I sent her a message on WhatsApp, she responded very quickly. So once again, I want to give ADSS Group a 5-star review. They have phenomenal expertise in the field of medical aesthetics. If you are thinking about purchasing any machine from this company, I think you will be very pleasantly surprised at the high quality equipment that they offer. Not only do they offer high quality equipment, but they also really make themselves available to answer any questions or concerns, just like I had when I received my new equipment. I ordered the 8D HIFU machine from ADSS Group, sorry guys. And this is my first purchase from this company, and it will be the first of many, many more purchases to come in the future. And that's it. I just wanted to leave this review for a phenomenal company. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.